Hi everyone, so today is the beginning of week 11. I cannot believe we've been working on this house for 11 weeks, but this should be the last week here. We should be done with everything. This week is just a lot of the finishing touches. We didn't get everything done last week, so we are doing it this week. We got a little bit behind schedule because the sink was giving us issues, so I had to replace the pipes behind that to make sure that it would lock up with the pedestal sink. So hopefully it works out and we can get that done this week. So I will give you a quick walkthrough of the house so you can see where it's at right now. This is the kitchen. My goal today is to paint the door and the security doors as well. And then I also bought this shelving unit that we're going to use in the little hallway closet. And then blinds for the kitchen, new thresh for the doors. This is the dining room. The living room is finally clean, and my door. So again, the security door needs to be spray painted because it's just dirty and rusty. And then walking in the hall, so as you can see, we've put the doors on, which they look so much better. The dark door hinges. So here in the bathroom, you can see that we still need to do the silicone around the tub, and we need to put the pedestal sink together, which I bought the new pipe so we can put that together, hang the mirror, the towel bar. But I believe I showed you last week, we put the bifold doors up, and I added the black handle, which matches the ones in the kitchen. And then last week I put up the curtain rod. So this is just going to hide the little cubby space where the closet is. And I have a black curtain that I have there, but the one I had up last week was way too long, so I'm just gonna go home and sew it so it's a little bit shorter, and then I'll put it back up. So here you can see the pedestal sink is sitting in one of the bedrooms because I had to buy the pipe, and now that I have it, we can put it together. And in the last room, Art is working on the French doors. So he's doing the stucco repair, fixing this platform. We're gonna have to put a new thresh right here as well. Okay everyone, so I wanted to do an end of the day update, show you what we finished today. The main focus for us was the French doors, so we tried rehabbing them as much as possible. I think we've done an amazing job. Art has really helped me out, changing the direction of which the French door now opens outside of the house. And we also changed the hinges to a black hinge, brand new hinge. I also hung my curtain rod and some curtains. And then we made a little progress in the bathroom. We were able to get the sink put together and not leaking this time. So I will give you a quick view of all of that stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna try and focus on finishing up the French doors and getting all of the other accessories in the bathroom hung up, and then try and knock out the kitchen finishes. Oh, and I also put like the cupboard or the shelf coverings in the kitchen as well. So I'll give you a quick peek of everything that we finished today. All right, so as you can see, I have hung some curtain rods. This is a double curtain rod that I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I have some sheer curtains right now. And then I will hang some black curtains that I have. I just have to hem them because they're a little bit too long. And then the French doors, we worked on these all day today. So if you remember in my earlier videos, you would see that the French doors actually opened inside the house. Now they open outside the house, like that. And then I also put the knobs on. And I need to buy one non-functional knob for this side so it just doesn't look awkward. And then I'm gonna put a different black deadbolt here. So here is the outside of the doors. I am gonna have to do some touch up, and then I'll take the tape off as well. But I am really liking the doors. And then we'll prime and paint the inside of the door frame as well. And I ordered a thresh right here for the door so it can cover over this part. And it's a black, like 5-inch. So that was a special order. And what else did we do? So in the bathroom, the sink is now installed and working. So that's good. And then in the kitchen, I put the covers inside. So that's what that looks like. So as you can see, I have the security doors on my front and back door, which are all rusted. So what I want to do is, I don't want to take the security doors off right now because I don't want to replace them at the moment. So I'm just going to spray paint them a white color, and I'll show you the spray paint as well. So I just covered the knobs, I covered the window, and I'm going to put some cardboard on the floor. And then I don't really care about the surrounding like paint on the house because I'm going to end up painting anyway. So this is the spray paint that I'm going to be using on the front, on the security doors. So when you take all your masks home and you try and spray paint and don't want the spray paint to go over, like in your nose, you put paper towels and paint. Guy, can you help me with something really quick? So it's our second to last day. I was telling everybody that we have just the thresh to do tomorrow. The fence we're gonna do as well. We'll start that, and I've already given them a preview of that. What else do you have to do?
Okay.
That's it, right? We're done.
One
more day. Right?
One more day.
One more day. So, I just wanted to say, Guy, it's been 3 months, 3.5 months, and I appreciate everything that you've done for me. Are you nervous?
It's been a wild ride.
Yes, every day has been an adventure, right?
It's been blood, sweat, and tears.
Literally.
Yes.
Literally, yes.
Lots of problems, but we found solutions to all the problems.
That's right.
And everything turned out fantastic.
I think so. We've been getting a lot of compliments.
Yes.
Yeah. It's been 11 weeks
Yes.
that we've been here.
11 weeks.
Yeah. So I like to, always show my appreciation. I do like to say thank you, but I feel like giving a little token of appreciation where it comes from the heart, where I actually pay attention to things that you like. Mm-hmm. So I got you a little gift.
Oh.
I don't know if you're gonna like it. I don't know if it's even the right size. Oh. I don't know, but there you go.
Oh. Oh wow. Wow.
So I noticed that Guy wore Vans. These were like his favorite Vans. He wore it every day that I came and saw him, and they're a brand new pair.
These are one of my favorite sneakers to wear. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Guy. I really appreciate it.
Grazie, grazie.
Hi everyone, so this is the last day of week 11. I wanted to show you everything that we finished. This is the last week. We will not be coming back to this property anymore. It is all complete. It's become like my baby, and I'm gonna try not to get emotional, but I can't believe like the transformation. I love this house now. It's so beautiful, and it's black and white, which is what I love. But I just want to give you guys the final walkthrough of everything that we finished this week, And I hope you guys enjoyed watching the transformation of my fixer-upper. Please stay tuned. I think I have another project in the works that I want to share with you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box and I'll answer all questions as best as I can. But let me just give you the final walkthrough. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We focused on finishing the French doors. As you can see, they are completely done now. I hung my curtains on my nice curtain rod, and we installed the thresh under the door and right here where the inside and outside of the door is, I guess, where the flooring meets the frame of the door. And we have a deadbolt here at the bottom. And the reason why I did this is because I don't want the left door to be functional. It's a pretty far drop and I don't want anybody to hurt themselves. So Art's out there building our fence. That's a bonus video that I'll post next week. And I have a deadbolt up here, so I'm the only one that can open this left door. My knobs are on. The thresh looks great. I can give you a shot outside. So this is the outside of it. Nice contrast. We painted the stucco as well. Just primed it. I also hung a curtain rod here with a black curtain to match the other curtains that I have in the other bedroom. And we built a little shelving area in here. So I just got the shelving unit from, well, it's actually just individual pieces from Home Depot. So you can buy these all individually and then make them as long as you want them. So this is like a little pantry closet. And then I just put one of these lights up there. Another thing that I did was I painted the back door, and I also painted the security door. So now it doesn't look all rusted. What else did I do? Oh, I don't know if I showed you, but I installed these cordless blinds, which are super cool. So I got these from Home Depot as well. So I installed these just in the kitchen, only because it had a bigger opening than most of the rooms, well, all of the rooms actually. And it had like this opening right here that I wanted to kind of hide the exposed wood, so that's why I put blinds there. Just open that back up to get some more sunlight. And I also painted the I also painted the security door here, and I put a brand new lock on this so you could see that it's freshly painted. Doesn't look all old and rusty. And it has a brand new knob. So the last thing that I have to do is just mop up the floors, and that's it. It's completely done. I'm gonna put new numbers on the side of the house, like the address numbers on the front of the house, and mop up the floors, but that's about it. I'm gonna show you a bonus video of how we're gonna be building the fence in the back. And you know, I just wanted to just do this last video since it's everything in the interior that's done. But I hope you guys enjoyed and keep on watching for my next project.